Welcome back. I am Danielle, better known as Danielle the Happy Medium, and this is Spirit Class. In this video topic, we're going to talk about what is a psychic. A psychic is a person who can foretell, read energy, your energy, and may or not be able to tell you how or what or may come in on the earth plane. A psychic has the ability to tune in to your energy field, which is your auric field. Each and every one of us have an auric field in order to be able to live and sustain here on the earth plane. Fortune tellers or psychics are people who will speak about you, will speak about your life, will speak about your jobs, will speak about your family, will speak about relationship things. These are really good things if you are interested in that type of thing or wanting to see what may or may not be coming in on the earth plane. These are really good activities or really good fun things to get involved in, and it can be used in a really good and effective way. A word of caution with psychics though, and unfortunately this is part and parcel of being a psychic. Free will plays a part in everything, and I will be doing a video on free will, not only on psychic ability or psychics, but also on mediumship and mediumistic abilities there. What happens with free will is unfortunately we are or will always be in control of our own life and the destiny in which that we take. And while a psychic may predict this, it may not come off due to the fact that you've chosen against that particular choice or decision. But in short, what is a psychic? Psychic is a person who reads your energy, reads your auric field, and will tell you all about you. One thing with psychics or with psychic ability is that psychics have the advantage of reading that energy, and your auric field can hold information for a long, long time, sometimes a lifetime there. And this is the big myth between psychics and mediums at the moment, which I'm going to try to dispel within the next lot of videos over the spirit class.